Good morning, everybody. It's a beautiful Sunday. Today is the 4th of October, 2020. We are now on Unit 5, the Family Fun Palace. We are on Lesson 1, the future tense will. We will be needing your pupil's book. Please open it and turn it to page 28, as well as your workbook. Open it and turn it to page 27. This is Miss Marlin, and I will guide you through today's lesson. The objectives of today's lesson are to formulate meaningful sentences using the new words, use will correctly in a sentence, and develop student speaking and listening skills. These are the vocabulary words that you will find in today's lesson. I will say the word. Please repeat after me. Canoe, canoe. Tennis court, tennis court. Newspaper article, newspaper article. Rowing boat, rowing boat. Football pitch, football pitch. Fun, fun. Restaurant, restaurant. Mistake, mistake. Lake, lake. Cinema, cinema. Famous, famous. Theater, theater. Again, these are the words that you will find in today's lesson. Canoe, tennis court, newspaper article, rowing boat, football pitch, fun, restaurant, mistake, lake, cinema, famous, theater. This is a picture of a canoe. A canoe is a small, light, narrow boat pointed at both ends and moved using a paddle. A paddle is a short pole with a flat blade. This is a picture of a tennis court. A tennis court is a rectangular area marked with lines on which tennis is played. This is an example of a newspaper article. A newspaper article is a piece of writing that is published in a newspaper or magazine. This is a picture of a rowing boat. A rowing boat is a small boat that is moved by pulling the oars. Oars means poles with flat ends through the water. This is a picture of a football pitch. A football pitch is an area of ground specially prepared and marked for playing football. As you can see in the picture, these children and the dog are happily having fun. Yes, they are having fun. Fun means pleasure, enjoyment, or entertainment. This is a picture inside a restaurant. A restaurant is a place where meals are prepared and served to customers. Let us see if the girl is solving the addition correctly. Do you think her answer is correct? Oh no, she has a mistake. It's a mistake. A mistake is an act or judgment that is misguided or wrong. This is a picture of a lake. A lake is a large area of water surrounded by land and not connected to the sea except by rivers or streams. This is a picture inside a cinema. A cinema is a theater where people pay to watch films. Do you know who this famous person is? You're right. He is Cristiano Ronaldo. Famous means known and recognized by many people. This is a picture of a theater. A theater is a building, room, or outside structure with rows of seats, each row usually higher than the one in front, from which people can watch a live performance or other live activities. Please open your pupil's book to page 28. We are on Unit 5, the Family Fun Palace. Number 1, look and find. Can you find a canoe, a rowing boat, a restaurant, a cinema, a tennis court, and a football pitch? Let's look for these pictures here on number 2. Look, listen, and point. This is an advertisement in the newspaper. Let me read to you what the advertisement is all about. Welcome to Clifton's Family Fun Palace. There are shops and there are restaurants. See a film at one of the 2 cinemas. Go to the theater. Enjoy the beautiful gardens. Have fun on the boating lake. Do you like sports? Then visit the sports center. Children will love the tennis court and the football pitch. Come to Clifton's Family Fun Palace and meet Bobby Barnes, the famous singer. He will open the Fun Palace at 10 o'clock on Monday, the 22nd of January. That's 10 o'clock on Monday, the 22nd of January. Don't be late. Come and have fun with all the family at Clifton's Family Fun Palace. So let's find out, where is the canoe? There it is. How about the rowing boat? There it is. Restaurant? Can you see the restaurant? There it is. A cinema? Where can the cinema be? There. The tennis court? There is a tennis court. And the football pitch? There is the football pitch. We are on number 3, read and circle. Look at this newspaper article. There are 5 mistakes to spot on. Can you find them? Let's look for the 5 mistakes here at this newspaper article. Everybody, let's read together. Clifton's Family Fun Palace will open on Monday, 21st January. The Fun Palace will have 3 cinemas, a theater, shops, and a restaurant. In the Fun Palace garden, there will be a boating lake with rowing boats and canoes. There will be a tennis court and a swimming pool. The famous writer, Bobby Barnes, will open the Fun Palace at 11 o'clock. So what are these 5 mistakes? The first one is 21st January. Instead of 21st, the correct answer is 22nd of January. Next is 3 cinemas. It's not 3 cinemas, but it's only 2. Next one is the swimming pool. There is no swimming pool, but there is a football pitch. Next is writer. Bobby Barnes is not a famous writer, but he is a famous singer. And the last one is 11 o'clock. The Fun Palace will not open at 11 o'clock, but it will open at 10 o'clock. At this point, I will be discussing with you the simple future tense. What is the simple future tense and when and how to use will? The simple future tense indicates an action that will happen in the future. The future tense is formed by using the helping verb will with the base form of the verb. Let me show you some examples for you to understand better. Number 1, Anne will visit me tomorrow. This sentence is in simple future tense. How do we form the simple future tense? First, the subject, Anne, followed by will, followed by the base form of the verb, which is visit. Next, the object, which is me, and the time indicator, which is tomorrow. So this shows that it's in the simple future tense because of the word tomorrow. Next, number 2, he will do his homework soon. How do we form the simple future tense? First, we put the subject, which is he. Next, will, followed by the base form of the verb, which is do, followed by the object, which is his homework or homework, and the time indicator, that is soon. Next, number 3, they will play football next week. They is your subject, followed by will, followed by the base form of the verb, which is play, and the object, which is football, and the time indicator, which is next week. So these sentences are in their simple future tense because they have their time indicator, which tells us that it's in the future, and we use the helping verb or the auxiliary verb will. Please open your workbook to page 27. Let's do number 1. Look at the pictures of things at the Pleasure Palace. Write the words. Let's name these pictures and put the words into their respective boxes and circles. Number 2, Bob and Bill are going to the cinema. What will they see? Look at the letters in the circles and check the picture. Take your time in answering, and after, click on pause, and then click on continue to check your answers. It is time to check your answers now. Number 1, look at the pictures of things at the Pleasure Palace. Write the words. Number 1, canoe. Number 2, lake. Number 3, garden. Number 4, theater. Number 5, shops. Number 6, boats. Number 7, cinema. And number 8, singer. Next, Bob and Bill are going to the cinema. What will they see? Look at the letters in the circles and check the picture. The letters in the circles form the word cartoons. Let us choose here in the pictures which is a cartoon. Number 2 is a cartoon. We are now in number 2. Write a short article about the Maryland Hotel. This is an advertisement of the new Maryland Hotel. What you have to do is write this advertisement into 3 to 4 sentences on the blanks beside it. Start now. Click on pause, and after, when finished, click on continue to view the answer. This advertisement about the new Maryland Hotel is shown in a newspaper. So what we'll have to do is we have to write it into 3 to 4 sentences on the blanks beside it. The New Maryland Hotel will have everything. The hotel will have shops and restaurants. It will also have a garden with swimming pool and a tennis court. Kiko the Clown will open the hotel. It will be at 12 o'clock on Saturday, 14th July. Notice that I put will in my sentences because this article is in the simple future tense. You have reached the end of our lesson. Thank you for your cooperation. Please click on the next lesson to view it.